guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am back, new and latest beautiful ideas and beautiful styling like crochet pattern and the most beautiful and latest ideas crochet pattern. Remember to consider the proposed and fashionability of your bag while choosing a design, whether it's for everyday use and a special and beautiful articles or a fun statement piece. Your crochet handbags can be a reflection of your creativity and style, and rainbow crossbody use bright rainbow colors to crochet a trendy crossbody bag that adds a pop of color to any outfit. Like crochet basket bag, create a bag that resembles a woven basket with intricate stitch pattern and handles. Style it and beautiful ideas. Here are some creative crochet handbags ideas. So ideas to inspire your next project. Remember the choice of yarn and color palette for your choice and influence the overall style of your handbags. Mix and match different elements to create a unique and stylish crochet handbags that suit your personal taste and style looks. So I hope you like this video. So keep sharing and watching my video, and see this video till the end. Mention me comment section for you.